In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a card UI layout in Canva. We'll build a clean, modern card design you can use for web and app mockups, portfolio pieces, or content previews. Start by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Choose a size that matches where your UI will live. For a desktop layout, 1920 by 1080 pixels works well. For a mobile layout, go with 1080 by 1920 pixels. If your project has unique requirements, a custom size is completely fine. This blank canvas will be your workspace for arranging and refining your cards. Before adding any content, set up alignment helpers. Add guides or a grid so your cards line up neatly. If rulers aren't visible, enable them, then drag guides onto the canvas to mark margins and columns. You can also search for grid or frames and elements. The key is to keep margins consistent around each card area, so your layout feels balanced and intentional. Now, create your card base. Go to Elements, open Shapes, and pull in a rounded rectangle. Resize it to your preferred dimensions, for example, around 300 by 400 pixels for a compact card. Set a neutral fill like white or a very light gray, and adjust the corner radius for smooth, friendly edges. This shape is the foundation of your card UI. Add content inside the card. For imagery, search Elements for an icon or use a photo frame so images snap into place. Drag an image into the frame and scale it as needed. Then add text. Use a heading for the card title near the top and place a subheading or body text below for a short description. To include an action, draw a small rectangle as a button, give it a standout color, slightly round the corners, and add button text such as View More or Learn More. Keep spacing even between the image, title, description, and button so the card reads clearly. Enhance the look with subtle effects. For depth, select the card and apply a drop shadow in Effects if it's available in your editor. If not, duplicate the card, place the copy behind, set it to a darker tone, blur it slightly, and lower the opacity for a soft, realistic shadow. Choose consistent fonts and a simple color palette that reflects your brand. Prioritize contrast so text is easy to read. Once one card feels right, duplicate it using Ctrl or CMD+D. Arrange cards in a row or grid, snapping them to your guides and adjusting spacing until everything feels orderly and cohesive. When you're ready to share, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for digital use, or PDF if you plan to print or present. And that's your polished card UI layout, ready to use and customize.